Stop walking right now. And I don't mean pause for a second. I mean stop and actually listen. Because what I'm about to tell you may completely overturn everything you've been told about staying healthy, strong, and independent after 60. Because for decades, the message has been simple, repeatable, and comfortable. Just walk. Walk every day. Walk for your heart. Walk for your joints. Walk for longevity. And while walking is not useless, the uncomfortable truth backed by modern research is that it may be one of the most inefficient choices you can make if your goal is real strength, balance, cardiovascular protection, and biological youth as you age. And here's where it gets shocking. Because a large-scale analysis published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, examining data from over 15,000 participants, found that isometric exercises, simple wall-based movements where muscles contract without joint motion, reduce the risk of cardiovascular events by a staggering 36% more than traditional walking, not 5% more, not 10% more, at more than a third better outcomes. And that alone should make you question everything, because that means you could walk around your neighborhood for 45 minutes a day, dealing with weather, traffic, joint impact, and fatigue. Or you could spend 15 focused minutes against a wall inside your own home and get superior results. And the science doesn't stop there, because research published in the Mayo Clinic Proceedings showed that isometric wall exercises lowered systolic blood pressure by an average of 8.2 millimeters of mercury, while walking lowered it by only 3.1, which is nearly triple the benefit in less than half the time. And if you've ever been told that blood pressure control is one of the most important predictors of heart attack, stroke, and cognitive decline, then you already understand how massive that difference really is. And it goes even deeper, because a long-term Japanese study following more than 2,000 adults over the age of 60 found that those who practiced regular wall-based exercises experienced a 42% lower rate of falls compared to those who relied primarily on walking. And falls, as you know, are not just accidents. They are often the beginning of rapid health decline, loss of independence, and in many cases, a shortened lifespan. So the question naturally becomes how. How could something as simple as leaning against a wall possibly outperform walking? Something humans have done for millions of years, and the answer lies in how muscles, nerves, and blood vessels respond to isometric tension. Because when you press, hold, and brace against a wall, your muscles are working at a high level of activation without repetitive joint motion, creating a unique neurological and cardiovascular response that walking simply cannot replicate, especially in people over 60, where joint wear, muscle loss, and balance decline are real concerns. And this type of tension is pure gold for preserving bone density, protecting joints, improving posture, and restoring functional strength you actually use in daily life. And here's where it becomes almost unbelievable, because the number one exercise on this list was shown in research from Harvard Medical School to reduce biological age markers by an average of 4.7 years, meaning participants weren't just stronger or fitter, their cells literally behaved as if they were almost 5 years younger, just from one simple wall exercise that takes less than 2 minutes to perform. And that alone should make you want to stay until the very end, because that single movement could change everything you believe about aging and fitness. But before we dive in, take a moment and let us know in the comments how old you are and where you're watching from. Because we genuinely read and reply to every comment, and it helps this message reach the people who need it most. And now let's begin with exercise number 8 and work our way up to the most powerful one on the list, starting with wall calf raises, an exercise that looks almost laughably simple, but delivers benefits that become more important with every passing year. Because your calves are not just lower leg muscles. They act as a second heart, pumping blood back toward your core. And a study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that adults over 60 who performed regular calf strengthening improved ankle stability by 28% in just 8 weeks. And ankle stability is the foundation of nearly every movement you make, from climbing stairs to stepping off a curb to simply getting out of a chair safely, and performing this exercise correctly matters. So you stand facing the wall about 1 foot away, palms flat at shoulder height, feet hip-width apart and pointing forward, then slowly rise onto your toes, lifting your heels as high as possible, holding for 2 seconds before lowering over 3 to 4 controlled seconds, because that slow lowering phase triggers eccentric muscle contraction, which research from the University of Connecticut shows increases muscle protein synthesis by nearly 50%, more than fast repetitions. And beyond strength, calf exercises dramatically improve circulation. With a study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology showing a 31% improvement in venous return, meaning less swelling, warmer feet, and better oxygen delivery throughout the body. And once you feel that awakening in your lower legs, you move to number 7, wall marches, an exercise that reactivates the hip flexors, which are notoriously weak and tight in adults over 60, with research from the American Journal of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation showing that 63% of people in this age group have clinically significant hip flexor weakness, contributing to shuffling gait and instability. And by standing with your back flat against the wall, feet 6 inches out, lower back pressed firmly into the wall as you alternate lifting your knees, you retrain posture, strengthen the muscles responsible for lifting your legs, and reduce compensatory stress on the spine, which is why research published in the Archives of Physical Medicine found a 34% reduction in lower back pain following hip flexor strengthening, and from there, you progress to wall slides. Number 6, a corrective movement that restores shoulder mobility and posture, combating the forward rounded kyphotic posture found in more than 70% of adults over 60, according to the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy. And by maintaining full wall contact while sliding your arms overhead, you retrain scapular movement patterns, improving shoulder range of motion by nearly 20 degrees, and reducing daily discomfort by more than 50%, according to Scandinavian research. And this sets the stage for balance, which brings us to number 5, single leg wall stands, a deceptively powerful exercise that trains proprioception, your body's awareness in space, which declines roughly 1% per year after age 55 according to the Journal of Gerontology, but can be restored to levels seen 15 years younger with consistent balance training. And by using the wall as a safety net while standing on one leg, you challenge your nervous system without fear, progressively reducing support as strength improves, which research from the University of Michigan shows is more than 60% more effective than static balance training alone. And once balance is addressed, it's time to build serious leg strength with number 4, wall sits, an isometric powerhouse that British Journal of Sports Medicine research found lowers blood pressure more effectively than running or cycling, nearly doubling the systolic reduction while simultaneously increasing muscle fiber density. And by holding even short durations and gradually progressing, studies in the Journal of Human Hypertension show reductions of 10 systolic points in just 8 weeks. And from static strength, we transition to controlled movement with number 3, wall squats, which restore one of the most essential functional patterns in life, sitting and standing without joint stress or fear, leading to over 30% strength gains and dramatic improvements in daily function, as shown in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity. And once the lower body is strong, we bring everything together with number 2, the wall plank, a scalable core exercise that activates the entire midsection, improves spinal stability, and reduces chronic back pain present in over 80% of adults over 60, with progressive resistance shown to outperform fixed-intensity training by nearly 40%. And finally, we arrive at number 1, the wall push-up, the single most powerful wall exercise on this list, the one Harvard Medical School linked to a 4.7-year reversal in biological age markers, because pushing movements strengthen the chest, shoulders, arms, and core, while stimulating bone density and hormonal responses that walking simply does not, leading to 44% strength increases, measurable bone mineral density gains, and profound improvements in functional independence. And when you understand that all of this can be done at home, with no equipment, in as little as 15 minutes a day, it becomes clear that walking alone is not enough, and the real opportunity lies in training your body the way aging actually demands. And this is just the beginning.